So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello or welcome. Sorry for my wigless appearance, but as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a synthetic lace-front wig review from the brand WhatADrag UK. So WhatADrag had a deal on where you purchase 2 wigs for £90, so this is going to be a 2-in-1 wig review. I purchased these wigs with my own money with the thanks to my Patreon family, so shout out to you guys, thank you so much for your continued support. This video obviously isn't sponsored or anything, so let's get them out of the bag and on this head girl. So the wigs arrive in these really cute little pink satin silky bags, and what's really cute is that it comes with a card to tell you the style and the colour in it, since I own a lot of wigs and for me it takes me forever to find the exact wig I'm looking for, so I think that's really neat and handy if you own a lot of wigs like me. So this wig is in the style Cheryl and she's in the colour emerald green, so let's get her out the bag and on this head. So this is what the first wig looks like fresh out of the bag. She's a 17-inch long emerald green lace front wig. I will link it down below along with all the details just in case I forget to say anything. As she is a lace front wig, you do get a decent amount of ear-to-ear transparent lace, and in terms of the internal structure you do get quite a good amount of parting space, and she does go a little bit further back down the center. In terms of clips and everything, you get a clip on either side of the head as well as one at the top of the head. She doesn't have a clip in the back, so she's losing a point for that, but she does come with straps so you can make her nice and tight and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the lace and pop her on girl. And then this is what wig number 1 looks like on. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I actually think she's really cute. I wasn't sure what I was going to think of this wig since I'm not the biggest fan of curly kind of textured hair on myself personally, but I actually think she's really cute. I think the length of her gives that 1920s kind of flapper kind of styling, but with the darker green color combo, it gives it a really nice edge. I think it looks really pretty and I'm a much bigger fan of it than I thought I was gonna be. She does come with a preset kind of parting in her, which isn't my favorite since I like to be able to customize the parting and kind of style the hair freely as and when I want to have it in whatever style. However, it is on the side that I would like it to be and how I would style it that way. She does give ear-to-ear coverage if I glued her down. I haven't glued her down since, I'm going to be trying a second wig after this, but yeah, overall I would say this wig is Unicorn Vanity approved. For £45 I think she's really cute, and I think I'd like her more if I sleeked her out, or if I sleeked her out and put another bump it stack on color of the same wig as a ponytail piece. I think I would be living, but yeah, I would say wig number 1 is approved by me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let's move on to wig number 2. And then this is what wig number 2 looks like fresh out of the bag. She is in the style of Precious and the color Cosmic Purple. She's a 24-inch long, loosely kind of curled, layered lace front wig, and she has the exact same internal structure as the last wig, so 2 combs on either side of the head, one at the top and not one in the back of the neck. So yeah, I'm just going to cut the lace on this wig, pop her on, and show you what she looks like. So this is what wig number 2 looks like on. Let me know what you think of her in the comment section down below. I do think wig number 1 looked nicer, fresh out of the bag. I feel like this wig maybe needs some styling, some hairspray, and some brushing through, since she has a really weird kink up around the root, and it's making the lace noticeable and the wig lay a little bit strange. But yeah, in terms of the colour and length, I think the colour is so pretty, and on the website she's listed as 24 inches long with loose curls, so I'm assuming that means she's at least 26 inches long, since she's really long and I'm living for length, honey. But yeah, I actually think this wig is really pretty. I think she'll look nicer with a different makeup look and lip combo and outfit and everything, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I would say for £45, the length and the colour of this wig and everything is still going to be 100% Unicorn Vanity approved. I do think I just need to style her a little bit more and maybe do a little bit of zhuzhing with her to kind of get her to where I want her to be, but I see the potential and I think it's really pretty overall still. So yeah, that's my wig review. So yeah, that completes my wig review for WhatADrag UK wigs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how you want me to utilize these wigs in future transformations, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. However, from Sunday, my Rainbow series starts, and then it's going to go straight into my Halloween series, so pretty much expect daily uploads for the next 40 days in a row. So really hope you guys are prepared for that, and thanks for watching. Bye!